Tappity tap, tap, tap. SPY continuing to the downside. Who's in these SPY puts? Looking real pretty here.
I am.
I am, coach.
I am, coach.
Thank you. NVIDIA ran up, right? And then it just dropped, just knife dropped out of here. Faked a lot of people out, am I right? SPY crashing out. Who's printing? Printers on full blast, ladies and gentlemen.
Hell yeah.
Yes. There's that, oh, it's getting real close to that gap fill I talked about at 565.70, which was previous day low. See it? This is what I said. If we could hold down there, there's your gap fill right there. Just filled it, hit 96. Just trade the trades. Don't trade your bias. Also, Apple 2-minute EWO gang. You guys are looking real nice. There goes SPY. Yeah, SPY flushing out. I've got 565.70 on my next level of support for SPY. That's previous day right now. It's sitting right now on previous day. That's a natural double bottom to previous day. The whole market's tanking, and I am in love. Oh, but you can only make money to the upside. Wrong.
I love a good tank.
Yes, I love it. It's my favorite. I told you, you do this long enough, I'm telling you. You trade long enough, and you look for red days more than you want green days. It's weird. You've been doing this long enough, you will be a bear. Anybody that's a bull in the market, they haven't traded very long.
I feel like when it's going up, it takes forever, and I hate just sitting there. When it goes down, I love a red market.
Me too. It's like, right?
Yeah.
It takes
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can tell you this. So think about this. If you're ever talking to anybody, right? You ask them if they're a bear or a bull. It'll tell you how long they've been trading, right? Or if they know they can make money to the downside. Yeah, people just aren't used to it. They're like, what do you mean you made a bunch of money today? My 401k was down 4%.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm up 25% on my total account today. Like, what? That can't be. Especially when you tell them you're holding the same stocks, right? Like if you told somebody you made 20% on Tesla today and they're like, that can't be. Oh, that's the best. Come and join us, American Dream Trading, right?